Motorcraft parts. For performance, for fit, for getting it done right the first time.
Wheel hubs are critical anti-lock braking or ABS system components. Motorcraft wheel hubs include a sensor ring and sensor wires to help ensure accurate ABS controller signals. They are lubed-for-life sealed assemblies that help prevent water, mud, slush, and silt from getting inside, with inner and outer raceways designed for long service life. A micro-ground hub-to-rotor surface to help minimize lateral runout and pedal vibration. And in high-load applications, they use tapered roller bearings. The ABS and bearing preload are 100% tested. They feature the Motorcraft Advantage too. All hubs are designed for the specific application, helping optimize fit and performance. And they're engineered for easy installation on Ford and Lincoln vehicles and ready to install right out of the box. Motorcraft hubs are the only hubs recommended and backed by Ford Motor Company, giving you peace of mind protection. Motorcraft parts are backed by a competitive warranty with no difference in protection, whether installed in cars, SUVs, or work trucks. And installers and fleets can also get labor reimbursements up to $75 an hour, using the same time allowance Ford techs use. Install the parts that install confidence with Motorcraft.